you hope you all are doing well in their domain. The series lectures of mathematics. The first lesson of this series is based on the sequence and series. Under this topic, we will learn about the sequence, arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean, geometric sequence, geometric mean, harmonic progression, harmonic mean, and the last one is series. Now we are moving on the definition of sequence. You can see that on your screen, that is the sequence means progression, or you can say that the second name of sequence is progression. Now what is a sequence? Sequence is the list of objects or numbers which are interrelated to each other. That numbers are called sequence. Second point is definite order. It's mean your number are in a pattern. They are related to each other, like natural number, whole numbers, and remaining number. If you can see the what is the relation between natural number, so the first digit of the natural number is 1, second is 2, then 3, then 4. Then what is the relation? Your initial point is 1, you can add in initial point is 1, you can get the second digit 2, and in second digit 2 you can add 1, then you get the next digit 3. So the relation between the numbers is you can add in previous number 1, then you can get the next one. This is the relation between whole numbers, and there are many relation in the remaining number which are exist in mathematics. Now the bookish definition of sequence under the mathematics of sequence and series grade 11. So in this definition the key words are subset, domain, and the non-negative integer. Subset mean the part of the other set. The numbers are the set which are given, which are your understudy, is the part of an other set. That set is called a subset. Like natural number is a subset of real number. Now what is domain? Domain is related to the function, the all digits which we are put in any function and you get the answer, that numbers are called domain. And non-negative integers mean you can have a set of integer which is based on positive and negative number up to the infinity, but in sequence we are just dealing with non-negative number. For example 1, 4, 7, 10 up to so on, and other a lot of examples are there like 1, 3, 6, 10 up to so on. The same relation exists in like natural number is you can add 3 in the initial term, you can get 4, then in 4 you can add 3 and you get 7, and up to so on. Now the next one is type of series. First one is real sequence, finite and infinite. Real sequence means your domain will be the real number, then your sequence is called a real sequence. Finite mean limited numbers. List of number, or you can say that you know the last term of your sequence or your last term of your domain, that sequence is called a real sequence. And infinite mean you don't know about the last term of your sequence or the last term of your domain. Your domain is infinite number of digits, then your sequence is infinite sequence. Now the next one, or the last topic of this chapter, is the series. You can put the addition sign in the sequence, that sequence is shifted into the series. This is a key overview of this chapter, sequence and series in grade 11, or the general perspective of sequence and series. This is the end of this video. You can detailed study of sequence and series in our next video.